cute doggy?
I wish I had a cat. I want a cat like padding.
A cat like what?
I want a cat like padding.
That likes being pet?
Yeah.
Do you want to go on my shoulders, Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Change your shoulders.
Yeah. You just have to stop.
And more.
What do you mean?
Go up really fast. Like this. Then come a baby, then a little bit younger, and then older, younger, and then. Don't worry, all just worry. Then the that what they must do?
They finish growing when they become an adult,
Yeah.
mostly. When
I
you're...
like dogs better because dogs grow more often and then follow people.
Oh yeah?
And cats follow with them. Because I like dogs.
Because they grow bigger.
Yeah, and cats just stay how they live.
And dogs stop growing too. Yeah. Well, most creatures, when they become adults, they mostly stop growing. Do they grow into anything else?
Yeah.
When they get old enough, they start getting smaller. A little bit. Looks nice down there, doesn't it? Yep.
So there's a massive pizza place down there.
Mhm.
I want pizza place.
We go down there because there's no cars.
Okay.
Why everyone going out?
Looks like the cars are blocked in the street too.
Or do you want to walk up this street?
Yeah, it's nice.
Dad, how people growing up so quickly?
How do they grow up so quickly?
Yeah.
Because they eat their vegetables and their meat and fruit and not so much sugar.
But then why growing up so quickly?
And they exercise.
How kids can exercise?
They can play sport or they can just run around and play. Yeah.
Now, just knowing that as far as we go is how far I have to go back to change the
Alright,
washing.
what does the timer say?
Mine says 17.
Okay.
So that was 10 minutes.
So, what did you set the timer for?
Huh?
What did you set the timer for?
34 or something. Do you want to
Right.
go here?
Maybe?
That will kill Ellie. Mommy is a stink.
What are you looking for?
Take a brownie.
They're good. Oh, we don't have any money.
I've got a little bit.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.